And don't think you're getting any dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took a stormy naps. With voices in my head kept saying go to Seymour, slut to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on? Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
No way Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on, give me a drink.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes. No.
Audrey, don't die. I need you.
Seymour, the plant. It just said the strangest thing just now. It said that, Orrin and Mr. Mushnick were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to it.
That's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done some terrible things, Audrey. But not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which should be very shortly, give me to the plant so it can live, to bring you all the wonderful things that you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
Oh, but I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So, in a way, we'll always be together. You wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll warm